My dear students, in this class, let us list out the differences between enzymes and hormones. That means it is a comparative study of enzymes in relation to the hormones. Enzymes are secreted by exocrine glands. Enzymes are secreted by exocrine glands, whereas hormones are secreted from endocrine glands. All enzymes are proteins, but of course, all proteins are not enzymes. Hormones belong to three categories, namely proteinaceous hormones, biological amines, and steroid hormones. Hormones belong to three categories. That means when compared to enzymes, there is much diversity in composition of hormones. Hormones belong to three categories, of course, namely proteinaceous hormones, biological amines, and steroid hormones. Substance on which enzymes act is called substrate, whereas organ on which hormone acts is called a target organ. Enzymes are substrate specific, whereas hormones are target specific. Enzymes acts as biological catalyst. Hormone acts as intercellular chemical messengers. That is the basic difference between enzymes and hormones. Enzymes act as biological catalysts, whereas hormones act as intercellular chemical messengers. Enzymes do have prosthetic group, whereas hormones never include such a group. Enzymes normally act at the place of their secretion, whereas hormones act at the site which is far away from the site of synthesis. That means the site of synthesis of hormone is at one place and the site of action of hormone is at some other place. Enzymes are transported through tubes or ducts, whereas hormones are carried out or else hormones are transported by either blood or lymph. Enzymes are not diffusible through cell membrane. That means enzymes are non diffusible chemicals, whereas hormones are diffusible through cell membrane. And enzymes do not have lag period, whereas hormones have lag period. And enzymatic reactions are often reversible in nature, whereas hormonal reactions are non reversible. And enzymes participate in metabolic functions, whereas hormones are used up in metabolic functions. That means enzymes simply participate, they don't get used up in metabolic functions, whereas hormones are simply exhausted during metabolic functions. That means hormones are being used up in metabolic functions. Secondary sexual characters are not controlled by enzymes, whereas hormones control the expression of secondary sexual characters. That means secondary sexual characters are regulated or controlled by hormones. And enzymatic activity is regulated by temperature and pH, whereas temperature and pH have no influence on hormonal activity. So, these are the basic differences between enzymes and hormones. Thank you very much.